What's going on, everyone? Got a 22 Kia Soul. Today we're going to replace the remote battery. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and open up the flip key, all right? And then we're going to turn the remote where the buttons are facing away from us, because we're going to open the back half of the remote here. So be on your left side. You're going to get a flathead screwdriver. You're going to stick it in here like this, and we're just going to pry the back case off, okay? Not too bad, all right? Now, once you do that, you're gonna need a small Phillips head screwdriver to take these 4 screws out. All right, so once you get all 4 Phillips screws out, you can just take this cover off. And there's the battery right here. I'm just gonna pry this guy out with my flathead screwdriver. Okay, we'll get a new battery, and I'll show you what size we are working with. Here's a new battery. The size is gonna be a CR2032. Notice how it has the positive sign facing outwards. You just put it right on the remote. Clicks right in. I'm going to leave a link down below for some batteries. It takes you to Amazon if you want to get some. They're like $1 a piece, so check that out if you need a battery. Put the cover back on, and we'll put the 4 Phillips screws back in. The 4 back on there, then we're just going to snap the back half of the remote back on. Start at the top, work our way to the bottom, and we're all done. Well, the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, and have a great weekend.